Hello, Catherine, and thank you for contacting me. I wanted to do a very brief video on rondels. Rondels are a round piece of glass, and I'm just going to very briefly show you how they make them. They start with a ball of liquid glass that has air in it, and then what they do is they break the ball open on one side and then spin the rondel so that it's flat. And then these rondels from Germany, they're Lambert rondels. What they do is, for absolutely no reason at all, except it's stunningly beautiful, is they roll the edge over. So this edge is actually filled with a little bit of air, but it just makes for an incredibly beautiful piece when it's foiled. And I'll chat with you about that briefly also. And you can see the rondels have beautiful striations on the front. Let me get some front light here. Beautiful striations on the front, and also the same style of striations on the back. That's a good front reflection for you, or surface reflection. So that's how rondels are made. They're made. So this is the pontil stick. So this leaves a little nipple on the front edge. It's not particularly sharp. We don't groze it off. It's just, it's just has a texture to it, but it's part of the charm of the rondels. You can see some of them have little bubbles and seeds in them. They're incredibly beautiful. These German rondels come in 4 sizes, and that's a general term. 4 3/4 to 5 1/8, 3 3/4 to 4 1/8, 3 inches to 3 1/4 inches, and then 2 1/4 to 2.5. You can see these 2 rondels are basically the same measurement, but they vary just a little bit. One is a little more oval, one is a little more round. Sometimes the pontil stick is a little more centered, sometimes it's not. We don't worry about anything like that. We don't cull through to find perfect rondels, because the charm of them is that they are organic, and that's what you want to express in the window. So those are the 4 sizes of rondels. I've supplemented this green one simply because I don't have what I call a clear rondel right now. But these are all the clear rondels. And then I'm going to do one more quick video, and then I'll let you make some decisions, and I'll send you a couple photos of this layout so you have it at your fingertips.